Wind and sea, mixed thoughts in my brain.
What's up, what's up? How y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. I'm here at Little Tokyo with my cousin Tonytron, and gonna try out this pizza place called Prime Pizza. I should have done this review a long time ago, but had other things in mind. So yeah, well, let's get on with it. You know what I'm saying? Kind of out of breath. All right, guys. We'll get a Boba first. Come on, please. You want? Hello, can I get a jasmine green milk tea, Boba?
Jasmine green milk tea with boba?
Yes.
Okay.
And you?
And can I just get the unsweetened black tea?
Huh?
Unsweetened black tea?
Okay, black tea, no sugar, right?
No sugar, no, nothing, just black tea.
Okay. For the bulk drinks, so you want a regular size or large size?
Regular size will be fine.
Regular size for bulk, okay?
Yes.
So it's a total of 15. Do you need a receipt?
Yes, please. Still got the extra large, but.
Okay, here's a receipt and change.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you. Alright, guys. Welcome. Milk nice and cozy.
Pretty neat, huh?
Yeah. Oh, it's pretty cool. Strawberry smoothie, strawberry banana.
Okay. Black tea, no sugar. And
Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Alright guys, we're at Prime now. Hello. Can I get a slice of pepperoni?
pepperoni, sure. Okay, it'll be $4.30.
Just keep the change.
Oh, appreciate it. Thank you.
It's hot, huh?
Yeah.
Alright guys, if you guys are a tourist, local, out of the area, you guys want some good pizza, this is the place right here. Sort of like New York style pizza, right? What is it?
Yeah, let's say,
Hi guys. We'll just with the better path. What? Need a drink.
I'm gonna talk this off. Careful. Now hold it.
Alright, guys. I'm gonna pop it in the wrong way. What she said?
Fucking manual with the chunks, dude.
Alright, guys. I'll see you guys in a bit. Go then. Check these shirts out, guys. Shirts have come really check this place out, guys. It's really good. Serious. I always take. Oh, there we go. Hold on. Thank you.
Hey, how you doing?
All right, guys. I'll see you in a bit. He says, "Don't you know how filming works?"
Need lighting.
All right, guys. Just got the slice. Let me sit down. All right. Man, it's really sunny right here.
Why don't you let me put it right here, look
I
at
wish I could eat inside. Hold on, guys. Let me show you. All right, guys. Check that out. That's all right. Hold on. It's good. Almost the size of my face.
Why don't you give it to me and I'll
Alright, guys.
get a good shot. That's great right there, dude. That looks good.
How do I look, baby? How do I look? I'm just joking, guys. Alright. Let me try it without the Parmesan and without the crushed pepper. Damn, look at this sucker, guys. Something like the size of my face. Alright, let's do this. Mmm. Hot. Ooh. I'm telling you guys, it's really delicious. It's really good. Lots of sauce, the right amount of pepperoni and basil. Nice, thin and crispy, you can say. Ooh. I give it a 2 thumbs up. So if you're not from the area, you're out of town, visiting, tourist, whatever, you're in the downtown area, come and check this place out. Prime Pizza. Good pizza, I'm telling you guys, New York style. And right next to it, just come to Twinkle Brown Sugar. Get yourself a boba, a slice of pizza. What else can you ask for? You know what I'm saying? It's a beautiful Friday. Not that much people right now, but probably on the weekend there'll be a lot of people. So yeah, I'm telling you, look at this shit. Yeah. Look. Hey.
about the pepperoni.
Pepperoni is good, mild, not too spicy. Let me throw on some Parmesan.
So,
Throw all of it in there. Some crushed pepper. Alright guys, let me see. Can we get it right there? I don't want to get in trouble. By spilling.
don't spill.
Yeah guys, really delicious. Oh, really delicious, really good. Alright guys, There's some people. You see a lot of people in there. Having a good boba place. Catch you guys on the next one. Hope you guys enjoy this sort of wannabe food review. I'm not a professional, I'm an amateur. Alright guys, see you on the next one. Stay safe, stay fearless. Adios.